Hi, I'm John. I'd like to talk to you about two outstanding TPMS innovations offered by Autel. Mitsubishi relearns have long been a source of frustration for techs, as the relearn procedures are unique to this manufacturer. In the past, to complete the TPMS relearn, techs needed to reactivate each sensor while plugged into the vehicle's OBD2 port. This could be accomplished in two ways: releasing air pressure from each of the tires to force the sensors to activate, or worse, purchasing an additional activation tool. By using clever software, we have eliminated the need to reactivate the sensors by writing the IDs directly to the control module. It simplifies the process and is executed the same way as a conventional OBD2 relearn. Let's take a look at how it works. First, use your TS508 to activate all the sensors. Plug into the vehicle's OBD2 port and upload the IDs directly to the control module. Our engineering team will stop at nothing to make sure that Autel's TPMS tools are the simplest to use and the most capable on the market. Early Toyota models equipped with a TPMS reset button mounted on the dash are unable to learn new sensor IDs when a replacement sensor is installed. These vehicles will only recognize the original IDs stored in the module at the factory. Most TPMS tools require technicians to access a separate menu and choose an ECU unlock function to allow the module to accept new IDs. Rather than add an extra step to the process, Autel has integrated the ECU unlock feature into the OBD2 relearn process. It is performed automatically and eliminates the chance of technician error when servicing these systems. You will have to drive the vehicle to complete the relearn process. Be careful to maintain adequate distance from other cars as to not accidentally learn sensor IDs from a nearby vehicle. Let's see how it works. Select the vehicle and choose Position Relearn on the TS508. Let's follow the on-screen instructions by first activating each sensor. The tool will then prompt you to plug into the OBD port. Make sure the ignition is on and press Y. The tool will now complete the relearn process. Some Toyota cars have two sets of main and second tire ID groups. When setting, please set the main or second switch to the current position to match the current right IDs. Now we take the main set as an example. For more information about Autel TPMS tools and sensors, visit autel.com or maxitpms.com. Thanks for watching.